ITU is at the forefront of emergency communications. The key words are prevent, prepare, respond, rebuild. Prevention includes early warnings, such as by satellites that monitor weather patterns and buoys in the ocean that check for tsunami. Developing countries are often most at risk from natural disasters. ITU helps them to prepare by establishing national plans for emergency communications. Responding when disaster hits, ITU liaises with governments, other UN agencies, and organisations on the ground. ITU sends communication equipment that allows rescuers to coordinate and disaster victims to contact loved ones. And when attention turns to rebuilding, ITU helps assess the damage and provides expertise and partnerships for constructing robust new communication networks.